Hi ST, this is Sree here. While joining the course, I was wondering how a person could analyze the market with so precision without any indicators, any patterns, or like some sort of any price actions. Once I have started the class, like the 6 hour interactive live class, really helped me to find out the market reality and where retailers are trapped as like into an option buying. The direction is a key point, I believe, and you actually teach us how to analyze and confirm the trend, as well as how the trend can be like we can consider it as a reversal. And now I am very clear with where not to go and where to go, and that makes me pretty confident even trading since last 5 years. Now I realize that I was on among the peoples who were in the wrong pages, even though I was making some profits, but I'm pretty sure I couldn't find this a better way to trade. And I appreciate for the initiation to like conduct the course, and thanks for the low risk and high reward trade setups which you have, like BOS, BOL, and TRBO. And I wish all the very best for the all STMP followers, as well as the our tutor, the great ST. And thanks for the course.